Okay, so I'm welcoming you to today's video where I talk about some text to video AI creators. It's a common trend right now since OpenAI, the popular AI company, has launched a product called Project Sora, which is currently just still in the beta or the alpha testing because it's not yet public, but it's getting a lot of people excited for what's to come in the future. So it's best if I show what people can access today. I have chosen 3 tools. Not that these are the only ones, but I've chosen just 3 to talk about them. The first one is Canva. Yes, Canva is a very popular online tool that you can use in creating your designs. You can have videos, YouTube thumbnails. You can have so many designs with Canva. But there's a new feature called the Magic Studio, and Canva has created this where they have so many other things that you can do using the power of AI. These are just some of those things that you can do. But since today's video is focused on using text to video, then I would just focus on text to video. Now, this option, this feature is still very, very new, and this account that I'm using is actually a Canva Pro account, which means I get to have access to 50 of like I can use 50 prompts. I can create up to 50 videos in a month. While if you are using a free account, you have access to just 5 in a month. And if you know how to use your prompts well, and then I guess that should be more than enough, depending on what you're using it for. Okay, so if you notice, the first thing you see when you click on the text to video feature is a place where you can type in your prompt, and by default it's fixed on the vertical, which like the portrait mode, which could be used to just have like a short video for probably YouTube short or TikTok video. And let's test how good this could be. Okay, I used 1 out of 50, so I have 49 credits left. So let's just think of a prompt. I think what I'm going to do is just have the same thing, the same prompt running through all the video creators that I'm going to use. So or we can just test something random. Let's say a warrior holding a sword while putting on a shield made from aluminium. Okay, what else can we add? Let's just try putting a longer text. What? The background looks hazy, and the sky is cloudy. All right, so let's try generating the video. I'll get back to you when the video is done. All right, so our video is ready. It has been generated successfully, and it's already asking us to rate this video. This is the aluminium shield. The sky is cloudy. The background looks hazy. The warrior's face isn't really there. But can we play? I guess that's just it. It doesn't do any other thing. Or does it need us to... Oh, okay. After clicking it here, it added the video here. So let's try adding a new page and adding the video here. And what else? Play. I don't see any motion. I really can't. And it's saying it's a 4-second video, but there's nothing. Do we need to... Let's delete these pages to see if it plays something, just something for 4 seconds. Or does it need us to add an action, probably walking or running, or... Well, I don't... Anyway, this was it. And I am honestly not impressed, but I would say this is probably because it's new. I would say this is probably because it's new. So there's really nothing for us to see here. But when exporting it, it's going to export as a video. It can be downloaded as an MP4 file. So that's just it for... Or I feel, let's try another thing. Let's just add something to the prompt. The warrior is engaging in a battle with another soldier. Yeah. They both look fierce, and the other soldier's helmet fell off. All right, let's generate again and see what this could be. I really don't know what to expect, because I haven't used this to generate any video. I just feel I am... If this is the only thing that it's going to generate or something similar, then I don't see the difference between this and one of those image generators. The only thing is it has brought out the details, but it's still not really looking ready to be called a text to video tool. But this might prove me wrong. It's almost ready, and let's see. Let's just see if I am proven wrong. But I have a bad feeling about this. I have a feeling that I might actually not be impressed. So let's see. Why is it taking so long to complete? Okay, so the thing is, this is still new, and from the look of things, you can't really do much with it. It's still in the beta testing phase, and it has just quite limited features that you can actually just use or see as usable. All right, so this is done. Let's try creating another page just to compare what we have now and what we had before. This is so more like another image, but I might be proven wrong. That's what I'm hoping. So why is it taking so long? We're evolving this new technology with you, so please report this video if it doesn't seem right. No, I'm not reporting it. I understand it's new, so take your time. But this is slow to generate. The output doesn't match the time, the waiting time actually. And I don't think this is something I would probably use at the moment. All right. I said one of the helmets is down. They both have their helmets on, and it just looks like the picture was just generated. Like it's a picture, not even a video. So, all right. So I think that's just it for Canva text to video creator. The reason why I'm making this video is because I feel Sora is creating this buzz on social media, and it's probably because it's not out there yet. So the generation is done by the prompt experts, and they only show what they feel looks a bit perfect or close to perfect, or something that is just presentable. And since they do that, I don't know what will happen if it enters the hands of the public, and that's when people get to really test it with all sorts of prompts. So that's it for Canva. Now the next tool is Augie AI. Augie AI is still, they're all in beta testing phases, so it's we can't really judge them. But Augie is a groundbreaking text to video generative AI model, but then it uses Discord. When you click on try the beta version, it uses Discord to actually get you started, just like Midjourney. And as you can see from their homepage, these are some videos that were generated using Augie. These videos are the ones that they are probably proud of, and they've actually also indicated the prompts used. And since it's still there in the Discord, like it's on Discord, a lot of people tend to just generate what they have in mind, and I think Augie decided to take some of the best to showcase on their website, on their homepage. So now when you click on try the beta, it takes you to the Discord page where you have to accept the invite. All right, so I actually played around a bit with Augie yesterday because it's fun. And that was what we did when Midjourney came out newly. You just want to push it to the limits to see what it can do. All right, so once you are there, you select from one of these channels. So it's from New Moon 1 to New Moon 6. So let's just select any of those and get started. All right, so once you are there, even if you don't generate your own videos, you could just have fun watching what others have been creating. So look at this. It's a dog, but look at how horrible it looks. Like two dogs. I don't know what they're doing. What's this tail doing here? Where's the other leg? What's happening here? All right, so this is another video. Well, this looks a bit better because, but I don't know what was wrong with the puppy in the first place before it became normal. I don't even want to play this because there's so many things going on there. But let's just try just exploring what Moon Valley can do. It has its own like some keywords that can be used to initiate a process, and you can access them by pressing the /. So you can animate an existing image and you can create a video. So let's just try creating a video for ourselves. Create, then we give the prompt. Let's use our Canva prompt. Let's just copy and paste. Style. All right, so style, realism, duration. Oh, really? This is, can it really generate 8 to 12 minutes? So let's just go for the minimum because I believe the longer the time, the longer the waiting period as well. And enter. All right, so we're working on a video. We're going to fire and it's ready. Now, you can actually just view some of the prompts that generated these videos like this. I don't know what's actually going on. Are they running? Are they scared of something? All right, so this is another video. Where's the prompt? Okay, this is an image animation. This was created from an image. So I don't know if we can still generate something else while we wait for that. Let's test out the animate option. Animate. Then you select the image. Let's choose. Yes, this was what I tried yesterday. The image for one of the thumbnails. So let's just use this. And motion. All right, so let's say hi. Wow, that's okay. So let's also proceed. We're working on your video. We'll notify you when it's ready. Okay, so I'm gonna pause this video and come back when we have an output. All right, so we have our warrior video. I can still see their helmets. What's with them and having the helmet still on? But let's play this and see. It would look fierce. Is that it? That's like a second video, like just 1 second. They're engaged in a battle. I don't know where this guy's head was going to, but this is still a bit better than Canva's video generator because at least we can see some motion compared to that of Canva. And well, it's still not there. It's still very bad. It's still terrible. That's the honest truth. But we can have fun just watching other videos, and this is a bit better. This looks like an image that was all right. No, it wasn't an animated image. It was something that was created from scratch. So let's wait for the animated version of that thumbnail to come up. Okay, so the animated version of the thumbnail is up, and this is it. Actually, I used an AI generator to create this. And if you're wondering what thumbnail this is from, it's from one of my videos that I'm going to link just on top somewhere in this video, and you can go check it out. It's using Microsoft Bing's AI image generator. Okay, so that's Moon Valley, and that's what Moon Valley can do. It's still out there. It's still very but I feel it's getting there. I feel it's a bit better with animated characters than humans. Even though you could pick some flaws, but animated characters are animated characters, so it's not like they have specific way that they have to look. But like this is good. But when it comes to having human, then it becomes terrible. You saw what just happened there. All right, so that's for Moon Valley. And then the last but not the least is called Augie. Now Augie is not like the others because it works. It's a text to video generator, but it works the same way as in video or pictory work, where you create a video just from a script, or it creates a script for you. But the good thing with Augie, which among these three, I would say it's my personal favorite, is it encompasses most of the features that you have within that you're supposed to get. Let's say you're using Pictory, it gives you some AI voices, quite sure, but then you can't generate missing parts using AI. Let me just give you an instance. Let's say we create a video. When you click on create video, when you click on, or what's written there, when you click on make videos for your business, you have three options. You can actually just import your existing video or audio and allow it to use its thing to add some visuals. This isn't something that I was impressed with, because it just overlays the video with some stock photos or images or videos, I mean, that could probably just block some parts of the existing video. But if you have an existing script and you want to turn it into a video, this works very well. Or if you wanted to generate a script from scratch and do it for you, then fine. So in this case, let's say we are generating a script and starting from scratch. Now, the goal of the video is to, what do we want the video to do? Let's say educate and inform the audience. The target audience is all ages. Location of the audience is primarily just anywhere. The tone is, let's choose a friendly tone. But since it's educative, let's choose something that sounds a bit professional. What should we choose? Not playful, obviously, but inspirational. Inspirational is good. So what is the topic? Product, good, or service your video is about. Use as many descriptive words as you would like. So let's say the video is the video on the history of World War II. What's with me and wars this today? All right, history of World War II. Okay, let's narrate the exact story of how it happened. Let's go. Okay. So, in the turbulent, okay, this is the script. It's so short, but it should do. I don't even want to read it now. So you can choose the voice, and there are so many. Hi, I'm Aaron, and I'll be the voice of your Augie today. There's so many voices that you can choose from, and that's one great thing about Augie. You can just choose from so many.
Hi, I'm Kalu, and I'll be the voice of your Augie today.
Wow, this is a Nigerian voice. I think I'm going with that. Okay, so you can preview the script using the voice, and so as you can see, this is a lot different, and it's why it eliminates some of those mistakes, some of those bad outputs that you get from those other AI generators. So I can try to listen to it.
In the turbulent annals of history, a chapter unfolded, a chapter we must remember.
Now, the voices are actually very good because you could hear him inhaling and trying to take a break while talking. It's unlike the regular AI voices. So sounds good. You choose orientation. Do you want landscape or portrait? And landscape is okay. Now, this is where you choose the source of where it gets the stock photos or videos from. You can include stock photos, stock videos, stock images too. It can search from internet. You can choose every other option here, but I don't like using, well, for the testing that I've done, I don't really like using animated GIFs, and yeah, generated images could also make sense. And you can also use the option of choosing from your own images and clips. So let's just leave these three and choose that we are ready to create our Augie. So since it's a 40-second video, I don't think it should take long to generate. This was what I created when I was testing this, and it's just about a video that I already have in my channel, and it has to do with augmented reality in education. You can see this can create a long video of up to 4 minutes, because I think the maximum characters you can put in the script section is up to 5,000 characters. So 5,000 characters is just around 4 minutes plus. And once you do, you download the video, and they call it Augie because that's what this is. It's called Augie. All right, so we're still waiting for it, and I want you to know that we're already in an era where this has come to stay. Using AI to generate images, it's something that people are already used to some extent. So using AI to generate videos is also gradually coming to stay. I know I'm not criticizing Canva or Moon Valley as much, because I know this is still early, and a lot of people that have criticized image using AI to generate images just last year are now regretting the level of criticism they gave those generators last year. And because right now these services have improved a lot, so you can't tell what's going to happen from now till the next 6 to 9 months in this, because since other companies are already establishing this, since other companies are already building theirs, then we should expect some rapid improvements. And most of these companies are now having taking it out to the public for better testing, so that people can, because that's the easiest way they could get input and make the right changes to improve. So let's this is taking longer than I thought, but I'm gonna pause the video and come back when it's done. Okay, so this has taken a whole longer period than I actually expected, but we finally have it. All right, so when you're done with the video creation, it brings out an estimate of the time it has saved you, how long it would have taken you to like edit the video if you were using the conventional video editors, and the length of your video and all that. So you can just click on take me to the editor. Now these parts are parts that haven't been generated by the AI. So what you can do is, based on the scripts, you can just click on shuffle and it's going to generate those parts. One other thing that you can do with Augie is, as it is, we can say, okay, for in understanding our history, I can just take this, understanding our history, copy it, and generate an AI image that actually matches that. I can just say a picture denoting history, or denoting human history. I can just generate. All right, yeah, so it will ask you to select the style. I'm gonna just go with cinematic and generate. It's just going to fill up that part. It's working on it, and those parts that were there, as you can see, they have already been filled. So some of these things are not perfect, and then if you want to replace an image, this is the beginning, and it syncs with the voiceover as well. So from here, let's try playing this to see.
The turbulent annals of history, a chapter unfolded, a chapter we must remember. Seeds of conflict sowed in the aftermath of one war bloomed into the cataclysm of World War II. Witness the courage of those who stood against tyranny, the resilience that weathered the storm of devastation. From the thunder of battlefields to the whispers of liberation, heroes rose amid darkness.
All right, so I am pausing this because there's so many parts that need to be filled with the right images, and it's and oh, I forgot to tell you that when you're generating an AI image for this, it usually takes quite some time for you to be able to see it. But the freedom that this gives you to replace with images like a turbulent annals of history, we can just have like annals of history here as such media. Like we can search from the internet. While the image is, the source from the internet is using Bing search, but its search is actually all over. Find here. So I can just click on this and replace the image. As simple as that. So you can just go through all the parts that feel like the all the parts that feel wrong, or all the parts that are not properly synced. You can go through them. This looks like it was generated with AI, because AI is still bad with words. So you can see this word. So this doesn't even, but the background image makes sense. And yes, that's just it. That's for all the three AI text to image generators that I planned on talking about today. And hey, I forgot also, you can add music with Augie. You can add some background music. Just play and add background music. You can add transcripts, and it's going to have like captions. You can add effects. You can add filters. You can do a whole lot more, and just download the video and it's ready for usage. So with what you have seen so far, I personally, like I said, enjoy like what Augie is currently doing, and I feel they are probably going to be a strong contender, or a strong competitor to InVideo or Pic3. And I'm sure with time, this is going to be premium only, and or you can get the free version, but you have like watermarks everywhere until you have like a subscription. But for now, you can use it for free. You can use all those tools I've mentioned for free. You can go to them and check them out, and I'm going to leave their links in the description. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video though. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.